So in today's video, I'm going to talk about 7 things that you can do in this lockdown and keep yourself as entertained as you can. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Akshida and here I present my next video. So I know we are again stuck in lockdown, but it's very important to stay inside and do not go outside if not necessary. Also wear mask if there is any necessity to go outside. Do not forget to wear mask. Keep social distancing, avoid contacts as much as you can, and this is the only way we can protect ourselves and our loved ones and also help the frontline workers and those who are risking their life for our safety. So it's like the outside condition is way worse than we can even imagine. So yes, we are again stuck in lockdown, and now we have the same question, like what we are supposed to do now, like how to kill your time, what we can do and what we should do. Like we have all the time. I know some of you might be working from home, but still there is time you can spend on the things you like to do. So in this lockdown, instead of cribbing over the things which we can't control, we should, or we should at least try to use the time for our mental health, to do something which make us feel happy and our people happy. So instead of doing all that stuff, we should more concentrate on ourselves and the hobbies or the things which we like to do, and the things which basically makes us happy. So in this video, I'm going to talk about 7 things that you can do and keep yourself as entertained and as what we call happy as you can during this lockdown. So if you guys know me, and by now you must be starting knowing me very well, so the very first thing is watching movie. Yes, watching movie is one of the best way to forget the reality and getting somewhat lost in that dreamy world. This is what really makes me calm down my mind and relax me. So watching movies or indulging yourself into something like which is not reality and escaping the real world is actually very helpful. Definitely we can't control what is happening outside, but yes, watching movies is definitely going to help us to escaping this real world and getting lost in that dreamy world which is more peaceful right now. Everybody's taste is different when it comes to watching content or films or series or anything. So in today's video, I think I might suggest you some movies which you can give it a try. Very first one is Yesterday, which is very recent Netflix release, and it's a good family movie, and it definitely one of those which makes you feel good after watching. It is very energetic and enthusiastic story about a family who try to spend their one day as yesterday. So Yesterday is a really good, fantastic, feel good kind of movie. So the very first one is Yesterday. Second one you can go for is Paglet, which is starring Sania Malhotra, which is also a recent release on Netflix, and that movie is all about a widow who can't cry on her husband demise. That movie is actually very empowering, and I don't want to talk about it much because I want you to go watch that movie. So the second one is Paglet on Netflix. Go and watch that one. That one is really good. So the next one is The Perks of Being Wallflower, which is a what you call teen drama youth kind of movie. Is about more than teen drama. So watch that movie. So yeah, that one is a good movie. You can also watch Gifted starring Chris Evans and one small little girl, and what she is gifted about. For that you need to watch that movie. Apart from Gifted, you can also watch Love Per Square Foot, Love Simon, Gone Girl, and there are so many movies which I have already mentioned on my Instagram account. There is one highlight story named Cinephile. You can go and check out all those movies. Those all are my favorite, and they are excellent movie to kill some time during this lockdown. So the second activity which you can do during this lockdown is about reading books. You can read as many books, as many content, even blogs or even articles. You can read whatever you want. Currently I am reading the Ramchandra series by Amish Tripathi, but you can also check out the Trilogy of Shiva series by the same author, Amish Tripathi. I have also read Looking for Alaska and The Alchemist, which I also suggested in my previous video. I know I have talked enough about that entertainment, all kind of stuff. So this is time to talk about doing some little exercise. I know most of people are not that fan of doing exercise and all, and I also know that 7 days exercise is not going to help your body that much. But do some simple yogasanas that are definitely going to make you calm down and going to relax your body and at least mind, which is most necessary during these days. So So the fourth big thing which is happening in India right now is the IPL. That is fourth in my video, but in India that is like priority, because last time when lockdown happened there was nothing to kill your time or something like that. But during this lockdown IPL is happening, and it is more than celebration for the cricket fans or even regular Indian people who like to watch cricket. So guys, go and enjoy your IPL match. And for the few of the ladies or for few people who do not like cricket that much, so instead you can watch your favorite series or sitcoms. Like, there is a number of options, so do indulge yourself into some good things or good content. So the fifth one is pursuing your hobbies. Try those hobbies which you started during first lockdown and somewhat forget about it since your regular routine has started. So try redoing that hobbies, paint, draw, cook, or do whatever you like to do, or simply try to create something interesting and creative, and appreciate your art skills. So this is the right time to do the things which you thought that I'll do maybe next time or something like that. Just do it now and enjoy your time, enjoy your hobbies. So it's like we're already spending all our time with family, but try to play games with them. Try to indulge into some activities which all of your family member like to do, like play games, like play Ludo or even cards or even chess. Spend time with your family, FaceTime your friends, call your friends, have nice deep conversation about few things that makes you happy. I know I have talked about different things which you can do and you should do during this lockdown and enjoy your time or just be with your family and blah blah blah. But instead all that stuff, it is just one simple thing which you need to pay attention is relax. I know no one is ever going to tell you to relax. Do not do anything. Do not, if you don't want to do something which is creative or watch movies or watch matches, if you simply do not want to do anything, just want to sit, relax, or even take a nap, do that thing. Do the thing which is you think more important to you and you want to do. Do not do something which because I am telling or someone you love is telling you to do. Just simply relax. It's okay to relax. There is no guilt ever anyone should feel about just relaxing and not doing something, or not being over enthusiastic about the things which they can do during this lockdown. Is totally okay. All you can do is just relax and do not even feel guilty about it. So when I'm saying relax, some people might be feeling guilty because people has some tendency to do activity all the time or make use of all their time. For those people it is really difficult to relax or give time to themselves. For some people it's like they need to work all the time, so they will feel that they have made most of their time or something like that. Or for some people it's just a way to relax is simply just sitting and not doing anything. They both are correct. There is no judgment or no guilt need to be there to feel either way. So it's okay. And I'm also sharing a mindful Instagram post which I have seen and that made me feel good about relaxing or something. So guys, you know what, it's okay to relax. So these are the 7 things you can do in your lockdown and enjoy your time and simply just relax. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If yes, then do not forget to like this video, share it with all your friends, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll keep you posting. I'll come with new video very soon. So till then, keep smiling, take care of yourself, use mask, sanitize your hand, keep social distancing, and stay inside as much as you can and do not go outside. So thank you so much for watching this one, and I'll see you really soon. So thank you so much.